I'm going to be installing the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Keep watching the video. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com, and on this channel we do vacation videos, product reviews, do-it-yourself videos, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I'm really excited. I just purchased this Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 on Amazon. It's a very much anticipated upgrade from the Ring Video Doorbell, and as you know in my videos, I really stand by and love these Ring products. Don't forget to check out those videos as well. There's a couple of upgrades with the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2, such as the quality, the definition video, and also HD audio. We have a wider field of view. We also have 3D motion and also the bird's eye view. So we're going to get into all that, but right now let's open it up and we'll take a look what we got inside. Okay, let's open up the seal. You noticed with the previous Ring Video Doorbell Pro, this box is a lot smaller. That's because they're not going to give you the different colored housing with this one. This one, it's only going to come with the standard silver housing, but you can purchase additional ones if you want to. So just like the other kits, you do get your screwdriver, your installation screwdriver that you'll need. We do have a Ring protected by Ring sticker. We also have our screws and anchors. And we got a couple of more things there. We've got our manual user guide. And we also have an angle bracket. This is for if you're installing it up against a wall, you need a different field of view. And we'll pull the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 out. It looks exactly like the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. There's not too much difference there. Maybe a little bit different looking camera. And of course, let's pull out what we got here. This is our Pro Power wire kit. This will go to your existing door chime, and we'll be getting into all of that. So this installation is going to work whether this is your first time installing the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 or if you're upgrading. I'm currently upgrading, so I'll be removing my old video doorbell off and installing this one, but I'm also going to tell you the steps as if you're installing it new for the first time. So the first thing we want to do is we want to shut down the power at the breaker box before we do any electrical work. I'm going to leave a link in the video description down below for you to get one of these. Right now I'm just at the breaker panel. I'm going to shut off the power to the transformer, which supplies the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Before you begin, you want to make sure that you have sufficient power for your Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Now, if you want to learn a little more about that, I have a video on the transformer for the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. So you can check out that video as well. Two options to hook up power by transformer, or you can plug it in and use the power that way. But check out that video, and that's also, I'll leave a link in the video description for that video as well. First thing I'm going to do, I'm at my Chime. I'm going to uninstall the existing Pro Power kit that came with Ring. The new one hooks up a little bit different. This is the old one here, and you can see that these were clipped in. So I'm going to remove this old power kit and I'm going to put in the new one. If you're installing this for the first time, don't worry, once I remove this, it will look exactly as if it's a new installation. I'll be connecting the wires back to the leads as they originally were. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off and connect them back to where they belong. Okay. Okay. And there's these clips. here. And that's out. Okay, now I'm just going to put the doorbell wire and the transformer wires back the way they originally were before any of this was ever installed. Next, I'm going to install the new Ring Pro Power kit. This is version 3. It's for the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. So if you are installing this for the very first time, this is the part that you need to watch. You have 2 leads, and it doesn't matter where they go. It's really easy, nice and simple. Just one lead will go onto your doorbell wire. One of the wires will lead to your doorbell, and one of the wires will lead to the transformer. If this is going on the front, your doorbell chime might have something indicating that it's front and trans. This is an older chime. I don't really have any indications on here. So yours might say trans and front. Or if this is being put on the rear, if you have a rear doorbell, it would be on rear and trans. Just so you know, just that one of the leads are going to be on the transformer that provides power. The other lead's going to the wire leading to the doorbell button. So we're going to install this now. So I'm just going to unscrew the lead here, and I'm just going to slide this in. Let's unscrew it a little more. Okay, this is going to go right in, like so. Hold that in place and tighten it down. And just make sure that doesn't go anywhere. And we do the same thing for the other side. Just make sure that's nice and snug. Okay. Got the leads in. And tighten that down. Like so. Now you just notice that there's a 2-sided tape. You're gonna want to put the housing back on, so it doesn't matter where you're gonna put it. Just make sure it's out of the way, out of the chime. You don't want it up against here. So a good place to put it would be right up in there. If you need the 2-sided tape, go ahead. If it's going to stay in place without it, then just put the cover back on. Just exactly what I'm going to do. Just like so. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to remove the existing Ring Video Doorbell Pro off the wall. Or if this is your first installation, you're just going to have a doorbell button and you're going to remove that off the wall. Typically with 2 screws, and there'll be 2 leads. There'll be 2 leads, will be wires that you'll be removing that. So the first thing I need to do is take my ring screwdriver, and it's a precision screw, and that's going to help me remove this screw and take the silver housing off of the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. So once I get that screw out, the casing will slide off. Now I have access to the 2 Phillips screws that I'm going to be removing with the ring screwdriver to take this off the wall. Okay, and now I just have to remove the leads on the back. Now I'm just taking the leads off to release the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. There we go. I'm ready to install the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. First thing I need to do is just take the take the stickers off so I can separate the housing from the actual unit. Okay, like so. And just press down a little bit to pop the cover off. Okay, like so. And here we have access to where we're going to be putting the screws. And this does match up with the new Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 as the Doorbell Pro. So I'm just going to be putting the same screws to mount the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. If this is your first time installing, then you're going to have to mark out where you're going to have to drill. So you would just take something to mark this out where you're going to install it. Drill some holes into the brick or concrete wherever you're installing that. Put the anchors in, and then you'll be able to screw the new unit in. So now I'm just going to grab screws and I'm just going to affix this to the wall. But before you do that, we have to hook up our 2 leads, which are Phillips screws. So the 2 leads just need to be hooked up on the back of the unit. It doesn't matter where it goes. It's a continuous loop as soon as you hook that up. So I'm just going to hook one up and tighten it down. And same thing with the other one. And tighten that down as well. Now I'm ready to affix the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 to the wall. I'm just gonna not tighten it all the way, I just want to make sure that I get the screws through. Okay, once I have that, I'm just going to go ahead and screw them both in and secure the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Just hand tighten it, don't over tighten it. Like so. Now, if you've noticed, just pay attention that there is a scan during setup code at the side. You can either leave the housing off at this point, but there's no need to worry because also included there's a piece of paper also with the scan code should you affix the housing, the gray housing, back on the unit, and there'll be a screw underneath. So if you actually do that and you forget to scan this, there's a piece of paper in the kit that will allow you to scan this paper before you do the setup process as well. So as I mentioned before, you don't have to worry about the scan code because there's a piece of paper with the scan QR code on it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this off and install the housing. In the kit, there is an extra screw. You'll have 2 of these star screws, which will work with your blue ring screwdriver. So I'm just going to push this housing over, and at the bottom, on the right side, you will see where to screw this housing, and that's going to secure the housing to the unit. So I'm just going to start turning that, and it is tightening. Just hand tighten that. You don't have to crank it. Like that. And that's it. Now that everything is installed, I'm going to turn the power back on and we're going to hook up the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Now you need to go into your Ring app and you're going to set up a device, and we're setting up doorbells. It says scan the code on your Ring product, and you can do that, or you can scan the code on the piece of paper just like so. And your address will pop up, and just hit continue. Okay, give your Ring doorbell a name. We're going to call it front door. Okay, has your Ring doorbell been installed? Yes, it has. And then yes, I installed it. It's asking if you included the Pro Power Kit, so I'm going to select yes, I installed it. What type of bell does your existing doorbell have? It's either a mechanical or a digital, and I have a mechanical. Okay, and I press got it. Connect to your Ring Chime Pro, which I currently have, and you can also check out that video on my YouTube channel as well. And I'm going to connect this to the Ring Chime Pro. Okay, wait for Ring doorbell to enter setup mode. When the light on the front starts spinning, continue to the next step. Okay, the light is spinning. It's a little hard to see from the sun right now, so we're going to select the light is spinning. Connecting your Ring doorbell to your Chime Pro network.
Now connecting to your Chime Pro network. Just a moment. Your Ring doorbell is ready to go. With Ring, you're always home.
Okay, so I'm just going to select got it, and there we go. We're already getting notifications. Someone's at your front door, and the only thing to do now is to set up the device, which I'll go through with you and show you the different things you can do. We're going to skip this for now. So let's check out the app and see some of the new features. Before we dive into the app, I want to make sure that the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is working, and also working with the mechanical chime that I already have installed in the house, and of course that it works with the app. So here we go, let's give it a try. Very fast response. The mechanical chime went off immediately after I pressed the doorbell, and of course we heard it here, and also the Ring app also notified me that someone was at my door. So let's dive into the app and we'll see what kind of features we have. Okay, so this is the view of the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. We're going to go through the app and start setting up motion zones and stuff like that. So I'm going to go to the top right corner into settings. And you see you got a whole pile of different settings there. We can see on our far upper right, Ring alerts are activated, motion detection, motion alerts. So we want to first set motion zone. So we're going to go ahead and go motion settings. And this is where we're going to edit our motion zone, so we're not constantly getting bothered by everything that's going by. So to do so, I'm going to edit the motion zones, and I'm going to drag this box down. So what we want to do is cover everything we can see here. Don't necessarily really care what's going on in the neighbor's property. So I'm just going to drag that down a bit, even this side here. There we go. Right there, and bring the top down. You can edit this at any time, keep in mind. So I'm going to keep this here, so I'm just going to click done. Okay, and save. This is the video quality in the daytime. This is the video quality at nighttime. I'm going to leave a link in the video description down below for you to get one of these. So that's it. That's how you install the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time on the next video. JeffLepard.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.